Good evening once more. So this is a site called Quora. Not many have heard about it. You can get tons of traffic if you do it correctly, but most people don't. Tomorrow, when we find questions, the right questions that is, and uh, putting in the right answers, most just spam the affiliate links. Just don't do it. You won't get anywhere with it. So if we answer well, which we'll do tomorrow, you can get a lot of traffic. So by setting up your profile correctly, I've done part of it already. If we, that's just you can share it on Facebook. I didn't realize that. So if you edit, you can put your name in, which I've done. This is not my actual Quora account. It's just one of a new one just to explain. Or you could, if it was called Shopify Express or whatever, you can call it whatever it is. And then here is where you would click your profile picture. So you could click here to change it or keep it as it is, or if you don't have one, you would just select and so forth. And here is the description. You may be a great copywriter, but I like to use Chat GPT. So I've put that in ready. Please write me a great Quora profile. My main business, Shopify, and then it writes it for us. So we can just really, as simple as that, just copy and paste. So just copy it, and then we come over to oh, that's my actual main page, so that I'm using. So it's not the right Quora that I want to get into, so just check this out. So right into the right one. So we would just copy and paste, and then we would update as so, and there it is. So you want your link in the profile too, so we will do that next. So we'll just actually forgotten temporary how we do it, so we'll just go to home, go to profile up here, and that is not where we want to go. So you would click on our name as so, and then there should be an option for to put our link in, unless Quora's actually changed it, which is quite unusual. Just 2 seconds. Took me a while to find it. It must have slightly changed it for new accounts, so we will just come out of this again, and down here it says edit, so there is where you can edit. So maybe have a call to action. So what we would probably do in Chat GPT, we would tell it something great, CT, which is call to action. Check out, run right slow, check out my website. We just, it's a bit slow, we'll come back in 2 seconds. Right, so check out our website here. So we would hyperlink it as so, and then we would click this paperclip, and there we could enter our URL. So we've got a website that we'll just type in just now. This is my landing page, which you really should have, so you can collect people's email addresses and add it to your added to your list. So let's see what thread we're on. Right, so we come back here and we hyperlink it and then go to the paper link, click, and then you just add it in as so, and then, oops, update. And that's has set up the profile. You can add in additional information, your employment credential, education, location, and things like that. Just really wanting the profile. So if we click here, that's it. And that's how you set up your profile on Quora, which can be used for a lot of businesses to try to get a lot of traffic. So tomorrow we'll find questions to answer and how best to answer them and what to do each day. So if you want a business that teaches great traffic methods like this, solutions to your business, check the link in the profile and we'll see you there.